Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your Oppo mobile, so how to stop talkback today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see I have on friends talkback guys, same friends you have on, and guys now guys you are not able to stop your talkback. So how to stop? And first of all use your two finger, because with one finger we cannot stop talkback on any Android phone and friends any Oppo phone. So friends please use your two finger and scroll your screen with two finger. Friends one tap on phone setting, and friends continue friends two tap with one finger. Friends one finger continue to tap, because guys one finger setting will not on. So friends double tap here, friends click on any setting, and then scroll it with two finger again. Friends you can use any two finger, but guys use two finger, because when one finger we cannot scroll. Additional setting friends, one tap on additional setting, and friends continue to tap additional setting. Friends accessibility one tap, double tap here, friends click on talkback, and friends double tap here friends on talkback. Friends you can see talkback setting here, friends double tap on talkback, friends you can see stop button. Friends you want to stop talkback on your device, so when you can stop with your double tap. So when we will double tap, talkback will stop on our phone. Friends now we can use guys our Oppo mobile without any talkback. So like that friends we can stop talkback on our Oppo phone and friends any Android phone guys, and friends you can use your phone without any talkback. So like that friends we can stop talkback on our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.